Alright, so I'm coming here today, this 70 Wildcat, and what I got going on is that guy Kai around here, he rebuilt this carb for me. So I'm gonna try to fill the bowl up because this is a brand new carb. It's never been on this car before. So I'm gonna try to fill this bowl up. Try not to get water. Try not to get gas everywhere. Even though it's getting everywhere. All right. So then I'm gonna put some down in here too. Move this gas out the way. I'm gonna try to fire this baby up. All right, so I fired this car up earlier just to warm it up some. Before I put this new carb on here. That was about 3 hours ago though, so it's probably the engine uncooled down, but it hadn't been fired in about a month. So I just wanted to let it run a little bit, make sure it's starting before I put that new carb on there. Give it a try. Started right off with that new carb on there. I think that's pretty good. Started right off, the engine's not shaking. Oh, that car know what it's doing. The old carb didn't do that. Let me start it up again, try it out. I'm gonna let it run here for a while before I put it down. All right, let me tighten up this. This thing is almost stripped out. Oh, it's the back one, huh? All right. That might have broke loose just a little bit when I was. Well, that's tight. All right, let me get some vice grips because that head on here is stripped. So I tighten it down with the wrench, but let me tighten it just a little bit more with some vice grips. Not too much because I don't want it to be hard to come off later. I'm gonna try to find a new or bend myself up a new fuel line later on. So let me tighten this down because thing is that I'm getting ready to take this car in for a brand new exhaust. All right, let me try that. I'm going to take this in for a new exhaust and to get the tune-up put on it. So, so I want to make sure the carb is on here. They should be able to tune this carb up and everything. it stopped. I have to tighten it up a little bit with the vice grip there. I want to make sure that this, that when it's idle down, I'm going to have to cut the idle screw up a little bit. I'll see here, but I want to make sure that when I drive this down to get the exhaust and get it tuned up that it's going to drive down there. I don't want to have it towed. So also, I'm going to be hooking up the AC because I want the AC working in here. So all of this work is going to be getting done. And then I want to take it and see about the front end. And I want to get all this work done before I paint this car. I want to be painting this car in the next month, month and a half. So I want to get as much mechanical work done to this as I can get done, guys. So let's see. Alright, so it's staying running a little, yeah, it's hitting down. It's staying running with that, carb on there, so that's good. So now, I ain't got to be worried about them charging me $500 to rebuild a carb, you know, and he rebuilt this one, got it running pretty good, so I'm all right with that, guys. So I notice here I got some pulleys and all of this stuff. When I hit the car shows this summer, I won't be opening the hood up at all, but you see the pulleys are wobbling there, so I'm going to be changing out the pulleys and getting everything painted up on here. The rest of this, it looks pretty decent, but also I got to get the breather on here. I want to get all of that hooked up before I take it in to get it serviced too. So I want the breather and everything on here. But yeah, that's how yeah, that carb is running pretty good. Back there you can hear the exhaust leak. It actually ran a little better with the other carb on there, so I know this one needs some adjustment. So, alright guys, that's running pretty good to me. So, let me cut it off here and fire it back up and see how it's doing. Alright, so I'm happy with that there. Alright guys, 70 Wildcat, one step closer.